news of the defeat at Isandlwana had hit Britain hard. In response, a flood of reinforcements had arrived in Natal, with which Chelmsford prepared a second invasion of Zululand. Lord Chelmsford was aware by mid-June that Sir Garnet Wolseley had superseded his command of the British forces. Chelmsford was ordered by Her Majesty's government to submit and subordinate your plans to his control. Chelmsford ignored this, along with various peace offers from Cetshwayo. He wanted to strike while the Zulu were still recovering from their defeats and to attempt to regain his reputation before Wolseley could remove him from command of the army. Chelmsford fielded 2 cavalry regiments, 5 batteries of artillery and 12 infantry battalions, amounting to 1,000 regular cavalry, 9,000 regular infantry, and a further 7,000 men with 24 guns, including the first ever British Army Gatling gun battery. Eventually, on 3rd of June, the main thrust of the second invasion began its slow advance on Ulundi. Still hoping for an end to hostilities, King Cetshwayo refrained from attacking the extended and vulnerable supply lines. Consequently, the British advance was unopposed. As the force advanced, Cetshwayo dispatched envoys from Ulundi to the British. These envoys reached Chelmsford on the 4th of June with the message that Cetshwayo wished to know what terms would be acceptable to cease hostilities. Chelmsford sent a message back with the British terms in writing. By the 16th, the slow advance was quickened by the news that Wolseley was on his way to Natal to take command. On the 28th of June, Chelmsford's column was a mere 17 miles away from Ulundi and had established supply depots when Sir Garnet Wolseley arrived in Cape Town. Wolseley had sent a message to Chelmsford ordering him not to undertake any serious actions against the Zulus. Chelmsford had no intention of letting Wolseley stop him from making a last effort to restore his reputation and did not reply. A second message was sent on the 30th of June, which said the following: "Concentrate your force immediately and keep it concentrated. Undertake no serious operations with detached bodies of troops. Acknowledge receipt of this message at once and flash back your latest moves. I am astonished at